Hi everyone, welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you're a musician, then stay tuned because in this video today I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the platform to build a website for your small business. If you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service and you've just stumbled across this video randomly, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month to use the service. And there is a free trial available for 7 days. So all you need to do is click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top and I'm going to search for my market, musician, and there it is over there. I'm now going to select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our musician business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, or shall I say my musician name. That's the best I could come up with. And now I'm going to go ahead and put in my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. I'm now going to go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and go ahead and click on continue. And look at that, Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my musician business in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality. However, I'm sure you have some really great images of yourself performing at different venues and gigs. So you can go ahead and change these images to your own and make a few changes to the content that was pre-written for you as a guideline. So today I'm going to be walking you through each process, each step, from the top to the bottom, making my way through each section so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know any coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web developer either to help you with this, or a professional. So I'm going to start my way from the top, click on update section, and the first thing I want to do is put in my email address and click on show email on site. So my email address is displayed in the top right hand corner. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here, and it is click to call, by the way. Now, if you have a physical location, you can go ahead and put in your physical location here, but assuming you do move it around, so maybe you don't have a physical location, but I'm putting it in anyways over here and clicking on save. And when your customers click on that address, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location if you have one that is. I'm now going to head to update social links, and I'm sure you're super active on social media platforms, sharing all your amazing tunes and gigs you are performing at. So go ahead and put in the various social media platforms over here, and the icons will be displayed on the top next to that email address. Let's save and let's move along. Now, if you have a band or musician logo, head to update logo, browse your device and upload it. If you don't have a logo, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name and it still looks really great and professional. If you need a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are a few great options on there that are free to use. You can make your logo bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm saving it and I'm moving along. Now with Marty Sites, we've also pre-selected all the colors for you as well. We wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website to showcasing your musician skills. However, on your logo, your branding, your business cards, maybe you have a completely different color to this one over here. I guess you could call it like a royal blue. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one as it's pretty neutral, and I'm now going to move on and head to update section. Now, if you have your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload it. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Marty Sites will automatically search for a musician. Go through the photo library. There are hundreds of images to choose from, and they're all completely free to use. So I'm going to try this one and just see how well it works over there. Let's take a look. That actually looks really amazing and visually beautiful. So I'm going to leave it as is and hit to update content. Now over here you can change the title, subtitle to suit your need. Button doesn't have to say book my services. Maybe you can say view my rates. Let's try that one and head to choose link. Now you can link to another part of your Marty site's website, like the lead form at the bottom, which is a great option, which I'm going to get to in just a second. Otherwise, you could link to another website like a calendar booking website or an action like click to call, directions, click to email. Or you can upload a PDF file with the different rates and all the various song choices maybe you offer. So I'm just going to upload a PDF file just so you can see how it works. So when my customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to my PDF file with my rates and my song choices, for example, that I can perform. Over here, again, pre-written copy just as a guideline for you. Button can link to various places. If you want to make changes, all you need to do is click on update section and change it. We've now made our way into the About Us section or About Me section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got started in the industry, how long you've been a musician for, maybe all the different events that you perform at, local restaurants, corporate events, functions, how long you've been performing for. Go ahead and put all those details over here. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. If you're a band, maybe you've got some, you've got people dancing and stuff like that. So that's why this image is here. If you need to change it, hit update section. Choose one from your device, otherwise search to the photo library and choose one of the musician options. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. I think it would look really great there. Let's see if that fits well. Let's check it out. Doesn't quite fit well over there, so let's reselect that image selection and search the photo library for a musician that's more suited. Let's try this one. I think that one's going to look really great there. Let's save our image selection, close, and check it out. That looks absolutely stunning. Over here, we made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of the different music you perform, different genres. As a classic rock, hip hop, 90s classics. Do you travel out of state for work? Go ahead and put all the details over here so your customers know what they can hire you for. We've now made our way into the last section, that lead form that I previously mentioned. Over here, your customers can put in their contact details, their message, click send, and notify you of their queries or whatever concerns they have. You will get notified that a lead has come via this form via email, as well as find all your leads in the client dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Let's just take one last look at our awesome website we've just generated for our musician business. I made changes to the images, the colors, the content, and it was such a breeze. I didn't need to know any coding or hire any professional to help me out with this. It really was so simple. Remember, it's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card needed. You don't need to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. I'm now going to head to the top and click on stop editing and head over to the site dashboard. Now over here you can find all the leads from that form I've just shown you at the bottom. If you have a custom domain, click on connect a domain and say I already have a domain and go through the various steps to setting it up. If you're struggling, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martysites.com. Click on the blog and go to that step-by-step guide to connect your domain. Now, there's also some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of blog posts, so do check it out. If you don't have a domain yet, I'm really excited to let you know you can now purchase your domain through the Marty Sites platform. We've just recently introduced that feature and we're super excited. We just wanted to make the whole process as easy as possible when it comes to launching a website for your musician business. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, do comment below and let us know. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so more people can hear about the awesome Mighty Sites platform.